After a barrage of leaks and rumors, we've finally officially seen the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and here are the 5 main things you need to know about the device. Productivity is going to be awesome on the new Note. The device is now going to come with 2 versions, one with a 6GB 128GB configuration and one with an 8GB 512GB configuration. In some crazy scenario where you're a person who needs more than 512GB on your device, you can expand the storage via micro SD up to another 512 gigs, making that a giant 1 terabyte for you to use. The upgrade I was looking forward to the most on the new Note 9 is the battery. The new phone will come with a large 4000 mAh battery, which Samsung claims will take a user right through a day. With the launch of Samsung DeX last year, the company took mobile productivity to a PC-like level. Unfortunately, one of the biggest issues with it was that you still needed an external device to use this functionality. Well, all that goes away with the Note 9. Now all you need is a USB Type-C to HDMI cable, and any monitor or TV is your DeX space. Thanks to improved cooling tech in the phone doesn't need to be cooled by a separate DeX unit anymore. The S Pen for the Note 9 gets a major bump in importance this time around. The S Pen is now a low-energy Bluetooth device with a supercapacitor in it. The S Pen, for its Bluetooth-related functions, has a 30-minute battery life and takes 40 seconds to charge inside the device. All you have to do is pop it back in the phone and the S Pen will be charging. So why did Samsung add Bluetooth to the S Pen, you ask? Well, simple. To give it more control. For example, you can use it to go through slides for a presentation, or control a YouTube video, or even control your photo gallery while showing them off to your friends and family. One great thing about this update is that the S Pen's SDK for Bluetooth functionality has been released to developers to use this feature on their respective apps. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will come in 4 colors this year: ocean blue, metallic copper, midnight black and lavender purple. A unique thing about the S Pens this year is that they will write in the colors of the S Pen itself. So for example, you get yourself the ocean blue Note 9, which comes with a yellow S Pen, you will be writing in the color yellow. A cute little feature added on Samsung's part, if you ask my opinion. On the overall, there's a lot to like about the new Note 9. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more on the Note 9 coming your way.